Well, I finally got into the animaid cafe in Arthur Centre, and I've got one of these strawberry drinks. Mikhail, he decided not to have a drink because his own woke up about half an hour ago.
About over an hour ago, plus it's cold.
And he doesn't really want one because it's cold, it's raining. Yes, it is back to being raining. Nothing's changed out in Manchester on this break. I do quite like this place, so I'll show you quickly around on my chair. There we are, look. Anime Cafe. You can have a photo done at some point. All the umbrellas. Obviously, thing. We could do with his umbrellas, actually. We're going outside. We do. Yes. And there he is, look. And nice little cushion area to sit down. Yes. Little bit of a storage area at the moment over there. And the shop through there. Yes. And you've got a nice wall there with some figures on. And that's my drink. So yeah, I'm in that main cafe. And lovely load of cushions. Right, that's it. And this is inside the shop where you order your drinks, and you can buy figures and everything else. Oh, we're getting away from the lady. That's alright.
Sorry, yeah.
It's a very interesting shop.
Very interesting, yeah?
Yes.
Only one, you okay?
Yeah.
I found another one.
Fit to go on my YouTube channel later as well. It will.
And then just like chocolate sauce on the side instead. Okay, okay. Yeah.
That's alright. There we are. Load of figures. And they do jumpers as well. And t-shirts. You can get something of everything in there. They do. And I like how they do the wallpaper. It's posters. Yes. There we are. Alright. Now this is the outside. My brother's somewhere, don't know where. Actually, I do not know where my brother is. Maybe he's actually outside.